Tired of scrambling to join meetings on time?
Introducing the new Auto Join button in Notta, a simple way to make sure you're always on time and ready for every conversation. Let's see how it works. With Auto Join, your meetings are automatically recorded and transcribed, so you never miss important details. Step 1. Connect your calendar to Notta. It syncs with Google Calendar and Outlook.
After that, navigate to Settings and select Meeting Bot. Scroll down and select the button that says Automatically Record Online Meetings from Calendar Event and select On. Now add the meeting platforms of your preference. I like to have my Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and WebEx connected. For meeting types, I'm selecting All Meetings. And I'm done with the setup.
Step 2. When it's time for your meeting, Notta will automatically join as participant and start recording and transcribing. Step 3. After the meeting, you'll receive a full transcript and summary, so you can focus on the discussion, not taking notes. No more last-minute scrambling or hunting down your meeting links. Notta takes care of everything for you. Here is why it's a game changer. Never miss a meeting. Notta joins for you even if you're running late. Stay focused. No need to manually start recordings. Just show up and engage. And you get instant transcripts. Review key points right after your meeting with AI-generated summaries. In today's fast-paced world, every second counts. With Notta's Calendar Auto Join, you'll never miss a meeting again, so you can stay productive and focused. Try it today and experience effortless meeting management. See you in the next tutorial.